Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix Instagram. Sorry, there was a problem with your request error. Before moving on to the video, you can support me by liking the video and deliver this video to people who are looking for this video like you. Let's start. Our first solution is to update Instagram. We go to Play Store to check if Instagram is up to date. Type Instagram in the search section and click on the first application that comes up. If there is an update text here, click on it. If it says open instead of update, it means Instagram is up to date. Waiting for the update to finish. After the update is finished, you can log in to your account and try. With the new update, the error may have been completely resolved. Our second solution is to uninstall and reinstall Instagram. Before we do that, we need to delete the data as well. To delete data and Instagram, we enter the settings. We find the apps. Click on Manage Apps. We find Instagram among our apps. First we click on Clear Data and click on Clear All Data. And click OK. Then we click on Uninstall and click OK. Instagram has been deleted. Now we go to the Play Store to reinstall. You already know how you can install Instagram. Waiting for the download to complete. After Instagram is installed, we open Instagram and log into our account. As you can see, there is no problem. Our third solution is to log into Instagram with our Facebook account. This solution is a bit complicated, but I can say that this is the solution I trust the most. First, we open our browser and write instagram.com in the search section. Click on the blue login. We are logging into our account. Click on the profile at the bottom right. Click on the settings icon in the upper left corner. Click on the blue account center text. Click on Logging in with Accounts. Click on Add Accounts. Because my Facebook account was previously open, it did not ask for account information. You must log in to a Facebook account you have opened before or a new Facebook account that you will open. After entering the account information, we click Continue As. Click on Continue. Click on Continue again. Click Yes, Finish Setup. We leave the option, Allow all accounts to log into each other, selected. Our job here is done. Now we go back to the Instagram application, and if our account is open, we log out of our account. If it came to this page after logging out of the account, we click on the three dots and click on Remove. On the page that opens here, we click on Log in with Facebook. And log in to the account we just linked. And we click Continue As. Yes, as you can see, we were able to log into our Instagram account with our Facebook account. This was our third solution. If this solution worked, don't forget to like the video. Our fourth solution is to temporarily close our Instagram account. Don't worry, there is no damage to your account and you can reopen the account within the day you close it. First, we open our browser and write instagram.com in the search section. Log in directly because my account is open. You may need to log into your account. After logging into the account, we click on the profile on the right. And click on Edit Profile. We click on the blue Temporarily Deactivate My Account text at the bottom. Instagram asks us why we want to close our account. You can choose any reason. After choosing the reason, we enter our Instagram password to confirm the shutdown. And finally we click on temporarily deactivate account. And click yes. Yes, the account has been closed. When we enter the Instagram application, it will kick us out of the account. After waiting 1 to 2 hours after closing the account, log in to the account again. In this way, if there is a problem with your account, we have reset the account. Our fifth solution is to do a factory reset. But I do not recommend this solution, because all data and all applications on your phone will be deleted. But some users on Reddit stated that this solution worked. To factory reset, go to Settings and click on About Phone. Then click on Factory Reset. When you click on Erase All Data here, the process will start. I will not show further. You can do it yourself. But as I said, I don't recommend this solution. If you still get the error after waiting 1 to 2 weeks, you can try this solution. In addition to this, you can use Instagram Lite instead of Instagram. Instagram Lite is a smaller and faster version of Instagram. You can use this until the error is fixed. We have come to the end of the video. I hope these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.